a little bit of olive oil for stir frying. The onion getting fried. I think it is going to take 10 minutes for it to get brown. So here we go with the tomatoes. Adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Thick, but like. Adding half teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of cumin powder, coriander powder, and around half teaspoon of salt also. You can increase or decrease based on your taste. Adding around 2.5 pounds of skinless chicken with bones. Mixing it all really well. So 10 minutes have passed and the chicken has left water. After another 5 minutes, make sure you stir it well so that it does not burn from the bottom, and keep mixing it for 1 or 2 minutes and then cover it. Since it was my first time cooking, so I took a small piece of chicken out to taste it and make sure it was properly cooked, and it was. So this is what the end result looks like. This is my first attempt at cooking and I have tasted it and it tastes great. Thanks for watching.